Welcome to our deep dive into the often overlooked world of workout recovery. If you've ever pushed your limits at the gym, you know that the real magic happens not just during your workout, but in the recovery that follows. Today, we're unveiling some surprising secrets that can significantly enhance your recovery process, helping you bounce back faster and perform better. We'll explore innovative techniques that go beyond the traditional methods of rest and hydration. From cutting-edge technologies like cryotherapy and infrared saunas to the benefits of active recovery and proper nutrition, we'll cover a range of strategies that can help you optimize your recovery routine. You might be surprised to learn how simple changes in your post-workout habits can lead to remarkable improvements in your performance and muscle gains. Effective recovery is crucial for anyone looking to achieve their fitness goals. It not only helps reduce soreness and fatigue but also plays a vital role in muscle repair and growth. By incorporating these innovative recovery techniques into your regimen, you'll not only enhance your overall performance but also reduce the risk of injury. So, whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, stick around as we reveal these game-changing secrets to turbocharge your workout recovery. Understanding recovery. The significance of workout recovery in fitness. Workout recovery is a critical component of any fitness regimen, yet it often gets overshadowed by the excitement of training. Understanding its significance can transform your approach to fitness and lead to better results. Recovery directly impacts muscle growth and performance. When you exercise, you create tiny tears in your muscle fibers. It's during the recovery phase that these fibers repair and grow stronger. Without adequate recovery, you risk stalling your progress and may even experience muscle loss. There are two primary types of recovery: active and passive. Active recovery involves low-intensity activities that promote blood flow and help clear out metabolic waste, while passive recovery focuses on complete rest. Both methods have their place in a well-rounded fitness plan, and knowing when to use each can make a significant difference in your results. Moreover, recovery plays a vital role in injury prevention. Overtraining without sufficient recovery can lead to fatigue, decreased performance, and increased risk of injuries. By allowing your body the time it needs to heal and adapt, you not only enhance your overall fitness but also ensure that you can continue to train effectively in the long run. Prioritizing recovery is not just about taking a break, it's about strategically enhancing your performance and achieving your fitness goals. Embrace the power of recovery, and watch your fitness journey flourish. Innovative techniques. Explore cutting-edge recovery techniques that can enhance performance. In the quest for optimal performance, innovative recovery techniques are gaining traction among athletes and fitness enthusiasts alike. Let's dive into some of these cutting-edge methods, including cryotherapy, infrared saunas, and compression therapy, and explore how they can enhance your recovery process. Cryotherapy involves exposing the body to extremely cold temperatures for a short period, typically in a specialized chamber. This technique helps reduce inflammation, alleviate muscle soreness, and speed up recovery by constricting blood vessels and then allowing them to dilate, promoting better circulation. Many athletes report feeling rejuvenated and experiencing less pain after a session. Infrared saunas, on the other hand, use infrared light to heat the body directly rather than the air around it. This method promotes detoxification, improves circulation, and can even enhance muscle recovery by increasing blood flow to sore areas. The gentle heat can also help relax tight muscles, making it a great addition to your post-workout routine. Compression therapy utilizes specialized garments or devices that apply pressure to specific areas of the body. This technique aids in reducing muscle soreness and swelling by enhancing blood flow and lymphatic drainage. Many athletes find that incorporating compression therapy into their recovery routine helps them feel more refreshed and ready for their next workout. Consider integrating these innovative techniques into your recovery regimen. By doing so, you can unlock new levels of performance and ensure your body is primed for success. Nutrition for recovery. The role of nutrition in optimizing workout recovery. When it comes to optimizing workout recovery, nutrition plays a pivotal role that cannot be overlooked. The right nutrients are essential for muscle repair, replenishing energy stores, and reducing inflammation. Key nutrients to focus on include protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Protein is crucial for muscle repair and growth, while carbohydrates help replenish glycogen stores depleted during exercise. Healthy fats support overall cellular health and can aid in reducing inflammation. To enhance your recovery, consider incorporating specific foods into your post-workout meals. Lean proteins such as chicken, turkey, fish, and plant-based options like lentils and quinoa are excellent choices. Pair these with complex carbohydrates like sweet potatoes, brown rice, or whole grain bread to provide the energy your body needs. Don't forget about healthy fats. Avocados, nuts, and seeds can add valuable nutrients and help with inflammation. Supplements can also play a role in recovery. Branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs, are popular for their ability to reduce muscle soreness and promote recovery. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fish oil, can help combat inflammation and support joint health. Encourage yourself to plan your post-workout meals strategically. Aim to consume a balanced meal within 30 to 60 minutes after exercising to maximize recovery benefits. By prioritizing nutrition, you'll not only enhance your recovery but also set the stage for improved performance in your next workout. Remember, what you eat is just as important as how you train. Mindfulness and recovery. Introduce mindfulness practices that can enhance recovery in the realm of fitness. Recovery is not just a physical process, it also involves mental rejuvenation. Mindfulness practices, such as meditation and deep breathing exercises, can significantly enhance your recovery by promoting relaxation and reducing stress. These techniques help calm the mind, allowing your body to focus on healing and rebuilding after intense workouts. Meditation is a powerful tool that encourages you to center your thoughts and cultivate a sense of inner peace. By dedicating just a few minutes each day to meditation, you can lower cortisol levels, the stress hormone that can hinder recovery. This practice not only helps you unwind but also improves your focus and mental clarity, which can translate into better performance during your next workout. Deep breathing exercises are another effective mindfulness technique. By consciously controlling your breath, you can activate the body's relaxation response, reducing tension and promoting a sense of calm. This practice can be particularly beneficial after a strenuous workout, as it helps lower heart rate and encourages muscle relaxation. Integrating mindfulness into your recovery routine can lead to improved physical performance. When your mind is at ease, your body can recover more efficiently, allowing you to train harder and smarter. So, take a moment to breathe deeply or meditate after your workouts. By prioritizing mental recovery alongside physical recovery, you'll create a holistic approach that enhances your overall fitness journey. Embrace mindfulness and watch your performance soar. As we wrap up our exploration of workout recovery, it's essential to reiterate the importance of innovative recovery techniques for achieving fitness success. We've discussed how methods like cryotherapy, infrared saunas, and compression therapy can significantly enhance your recovery process, allowing you to bounce back faster and perform at your best. Additionally, we highlighted the critical role of nutrition, emphasizing the need for key nutrients that support muscle repair and replenish energy stores. Moreover, we delved into the benefits of mindfulness practices, such as meditation and deep breathing exercises, which contribute to mental recovery and overall well-being. By integrating these techniques into your routine, you can create a comprehensive recovery strategy that not only improves your physical performance but also enhances your mental resilience. Now is the time to take actionable steps towards improving your recovery. Whether it's trying out a new recovery technique, planning your post-workout meals, or incorporating mindfulness practices, every small change can lead to significant results. If you found this video helpful, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more fitness insights. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends who might benefit from these recovery tips. Together, let's elevate our fitness journeys and unlock our full potential. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.